Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one advice with you, because if you make that mistake you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the immobilizer fuses and relays are located, stay with us. We'll explain about that in this video today. Also, if you need to buy two parts at a good price, that way do not waste money and time, we'll share that information in the video for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do almost anything. How to fix engines, transmissions, electrical components, codes, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Why we guys do it? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And if you want guys, please check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, the immobilizer fuses relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Charger right here. We'll be working today guys in two different fuse boxes. The first fuse box that we need is under the hood. Let's go ahead, open the hood, and once you face your engine, it could be a V6, V8, it doesn't matter. On the left side of the engine you have the main engine fuse box. You see these two tabs, press them together and pull the cover out guys. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, multiple fuses, relays will need to be checked today. Some of you may not have them, some you may have all of them. It really depends on the model year that you have as well, but one of them that you need to check is that's fuse number 7, okay, right here. Another one that you need to check will be fuse number 10, okay, we don't have that one as well. Next you need to check fuse 24, if you have it, it will be right here too. Now next thing, relay 59 guys, right here will need to be checked. After that we need to go ahead and open the trunk. So once you open the trunk guys, we're going to go ahead, leave the carpet liner up. Underneath you have the spare tire, car battery right here. Behind it is the main trunk fuse box. That's a closer look of it. Press the tabs together, pull the cover out, and you have that layout here. Here guys, we need to find fuse 33. So if you come in that row of fuses, let's zoom in a little bit. That's fuse 31. After that you have 32, it's barely visible, and 33, that's the that fuse on the right side, that 15 amp fuse guys. Next you need to check relay, okay, 29 right here, and some of you may have relay number 14 here as well. So those are the fuses and relays we need to check for the immobilizer on Dodge Charger guys. So this guy's Dodge Charger has all kinds of different fuses and relays, different sizes, and those guys, okay, could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't get one, we were stuck because we had to wait a few days to get a shipment. So we recommend to buy some spare fuses, relays, put guys some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time guys. Thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.